Hey, welcome back to my channel. Double burner gas propane forge furnace blacksmith. Double burner propane forge with 2600 degree capacity and large heating zone lined by 1-inch thick high-density ceramic fiber blanket. Made by 16-gauge steel metal sheets. Our gas pressure regulator connection fit for these countries: United States, Canada, Australia, Norway, Sweden, New Zealand, Finland, and Israel. Reduce fuel consumption. 2 burners, individually controlled with ball valves. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.